Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. Infinix launches GT30 Pro gaming smartphone kit in Argentina, targeting competitive mobile gamers. Infinix has introduced the GT30 Pro, a dedicated gaming smartphone, to the Argentine market, reinforcing its strategy in the competitive mobile gaming segment. The device is notably offered as a comprehensive kit, which includes the phone, two protective cases, a charger, and a key accessory, an external cooling fan that doubles as an auxiliary battery. Designed for competitive users of high-demand titles such as Fire and PUBG Mobile, the GT30 Pro features a futuristic aesthetic with customizable rear RGB lighting and a design intended to integrate seamlessly into a complete personal gamer setup. Key technical specifications include a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a rapid 144 Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution, ensuring the necessary fluidity and low latency for a competitive advantage by maintaining stable 120 FPS during extended sessions. For enhanced control, the device incorporates physical side triggers, mimicking console controllers, offering a more comfortable input alternative to on-screen buttons. To manage thermal load, a crucial factor in mobile gaming, the phone employs an internal vapor chamber cooling system, supplemented by the included external cooler. Furthermore, the GT30 Pro is equipped with X-Arena, Infinix's dedicated gaming hub for resource optimization, notification control, tactile adjustment, and integrated tools for content creation, streaming/recording. The device is powered by a 5200 mAh battery supporting fast, wireless, and reverse charging, and features high-fidelity directional audio optimized for in-game communication. Its 108MP main camera is geared towards content creators who stream or produce clips for platforms like TikTok. The Infinix GT30 Pro is clearly positioned as a complete tool for digital entertainment, specifically targeting players who prioritize speed, fluidity, a gamer design, and physical control, establishing the mobile phone as their primary console. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.